My name is Erica McFarland, and this is my acceptable use policy. What is an acceptable use policy? It's an important document given to students and teachers at the beginning of the school year. It's used to promote safe and responsible use for all stakeholders, so your teachers, your staff, your students, and your parents. And it governs the students' use of the internet at school and covers a wide range of issues surrounding the rights, responsibilities, and privileges. Why should school districts have AUPs? It is the educational institution's responsibility to keep their students safe. Students, parents, and staff should review the AUP at the beginning of the school year. Students should sign the AUP for accountability. This ensures that if a student does mess up and does something inappropriate, that the administration can refer back to what they signed, and that legally it protects the school and the district from liability. I teach at Buck Lodge Middle School, but I could not find their AUP, so I'm going to go through James Madison Middle's. They go through their introduction, and it talks about what Prince George's County expects, and how that anyone using the internet should always reflect academic honesty, high ethical standards, and moral responsibility. It goes through the acceptable uses of technology, such as protecting your private information, using appropriate language, and respecting all copyright laws. And it goes through a long list of unacceptable uses, the process of reporting that inappropriate use, and then the consequences that go with if you do something wrong with the AUP. How should you communicate the AUP to staff, students, and parents? It should be discussed during pre-service week with staff. Flyers should be sent to students and parents, signed. Back to school night, it would be a great time to discuss with parents about your AUP. Listen to feedback from stakeholders. Leave no room for interpretation. Be specific. Post it on the school website, and then a refresher for the second semester. What can you do to enforce student policies? You can post the AUP in the classroom. Have students come up with their own rules for digital citizenship along with the ISTE 5.2 to model and facilitate safe and ethical uses of digital information technologies. They could create a poster like that's on the right. Have students take a computer safety course, use screen monitoring apps. Visually monitor is obviously a great one, and then violators lose access and must retake the computer safety course. Keeping teachers safe, be aware of the latest AUP for teachers. Watch safety videos, online modules at PGCPS. We have to watch a bunch of videos at the beginning of each school year. Check with administration if you're uncertain about anything. Don't use the school's network to handle personal matters. Change your passwords very often. Don't put anything online that you wouldn't want colleagues to see. Do not friend students or parents in social media accounts. In conclusion, it is our job and responsibility to keep ourselves as teachers in line and model good behaviors. We need to prepare our students to be digital citizens in the 21st century. And here are some of my references. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.